Hi, my name is Solomon. So today I am starting a new series on Microsoft Excel. So we are going to look at Excel to its very detail. If you are a beginner or you're interested in learning Excel, this is a good video series for you. Then also, if you are good or you have intermediary knowledge of Excel, that's fine. So you can also benefit from this series, because I'm going to take it from very much basic to very much advanced, possibly many of the tools in Excel or Excel commands. I'm going to touch them and like that. So please I will encourage you to follow up the series. There's going to be short videos for each of the all the videos I'll be releasing. It's going to be short and I'll go straight to the point. So meanwhile, let's proceed. So we are going to look at what Excel is now, and we're going to look at the uses of Excel in this first video. So I'm just introducing Excel to you. So when we say Excel, we are talking about Microsoft Excel, because Microsoft is the developer and the owner of the product, Microsoft Excel. So it's part of the Microsoft Office suite. In the Office suite it's a collection of different softwares, but if you have all of them are combined in what is called Microsoft Office suite. So if you install it, all those other softwares alongside with Microsoft Excel comes with it. So Microsoft Excel is part of Office suite. If you also have Office 365, you also find it there, and then Microsoft Office, you also find Excel there. So the Office suite contains different softwares. Number one, you have Microsoft Word, you have Publisher, Microsoft Publisher, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft some other softwares like that. You have Paint, Office Paint. Those ones are for small designs, like you want to just write on the screen like that. So Microsoft Excel is part of it, as I've said initially. So Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program. It's a spreadsheet program that provides several ways to analyze and interpret data. So if you are a data analyst and you want to be a data analyst or aspiring data analyst, this is also a good series for you. So we see it as we are going to look at how to use to analyze and interpret data, and the data can be from various sources. So you can get it from CSV format or PDF format like that, and you can do analysis on it. So the data can be converted and formatted in several ways. You can format it in different ways, you can convert it to different formats, and it can be analyzed with relevant Excel commands, functions, and tools. So we'll look at that later. So in this series we'll be learning several things, like the basics of Excel. We're going to learn the basics of Excel, and there are other parts, two major parts I'm looking at, which I'll now move to the advanced part. Two major parts for data analysts specifically is if you are learning Excel based on you want to use it for data analysis, basically for the basics level. Yeah, I'm going to take that. I'm going to treat that there in the series. Then the other advanced aspect of Excel, which is used for advanced data analysis, like predictions, like some other statistical analysis, I'm going to look at that in the series. Then the last one I'll be taking is Visual Basics for Application, VBA. For instance, there are functionalities or functions you want to use in Excel that is not you are not getting in Excel. So you can use VBA. You can program your Excel to perform that option or that action or that function. So we are going to look at all this in this series. It's going to be a long series, like several videos I'm going to release from time to time on this. So please be a part of this journey, and you will become a master or professional in using Microsoft Excel. So thank you very much. So in the next video, we're going to look at the uses of Excel. There are several uses of Excel. I think I hardly see videos that compile the stuff. So that's why I'm doing this video right now on the uses of Excel. So I want to show you what you can use Excel to do, so that you know the benefit, and then how to use it to, how to customize the benefits to meet your need. So thank you very much, and do have a wonderful day.